Recording.
Hello, everyone. This is Lewis Wood. I'm here to give you an overview of the Chrome browser. I will be using the JAWS screen reader for my navigation, but most of it will work with any screen reader, all the commands, so I won't be doing much specific as far as screen reader goes. We're going to do how to find your hotkeys in JAWS, how to go through some of the basic stuff of JAWS, and in case you forget the keywords for bookmarks, the shortcut keys, and how to find them and how to get to them, and other little exploratory items. Okay? And I hope this is helpful. It's just a Chrome browser overview using being blind. Okay, I am now going to share my screen. Well, it's supposed to work.
Context menu. Leading menus. Zoom meeting.
Okay.
Basic tab check selected. Sharing list box. Click arrow key to navigate the list. Share computer sound checkbox not checked. Checked.
There we are. I'm sharing my computer sound.
Optimize screen sharing. Share screen button.
There you
You
go.
have started screen share. Zoom meeting. Meeting controls.
Okay, now I'm going to launch the Chrome browser using Windows 1.
Taskbar.
In Windows 10, the reason Windows 1 works is because it's on my taskbar as the first item.
Google Chrome. Search region. Search edit combo.
Okay, I'm going to change the screen colors using Windows command, which is Control Windows C.
Control Window C.
And I have color filters on, and mine is for inverted colors. Just turns it the opposite. Okay, just easier on my eyes. I don't really see anything, but I can't see the Google there. That's because it's very big letters. Fills up most of my screen. All right, let's see. Now, when you're in your Chrome browser, you first launch it, it puts you on the web page. My start page is the Google search screen. I just wanted something lightweight, so it don't take long to load, and yet it's convenient. So it starts me on the search, and that's what I prefer mine to be. All right, now almost every application out there has an Alt F, a file menu, like Outlook, Word, all of them. They seem to have it, even Excel and everything. And that does, and Chrome browser has it, Firefox, Internet Explorer. And so what you do, you just press the Alt key, which activates your ribbons up there, your menus, okay? And I'm gonna press Alt F, as in Frank.
Alt F. Context menu.
Okay, now I got a context menu displayed, so I'm gonna hit the down arrow and go through the menu items.
New tab Control plus T. 1 of 19. T.
Yeah. Now you see it said Control T. So if I wanted to create a brand new tab, I just press Control T in the Chrome browser. So I can browse multiple pages at the same time.
New window Control plus N. 2 of 19. N.
Control N gives me a brand new window. Now the difference between a tab and a brand new window is a brand new window, you have to do an Alt tab to go to, or go to your task list, and it'll show up on your taskbar as a separate entity. Okay, another of the Chrome browser. Whereas a tab is internal to the browse session. So you may have 3 different websites open in 3 different tabs. It's very rare that you'd want a window and then 2 windows and then a bunch of tabs. Be kind of confusing. All right.
New incognito window Control plus Shift plus N. 3 of 19. I.
New incognito window. And that basically when you're browsing things that you don't want recorded, you don't want your identity really known, and you would go through that. It's maybe fishy sites that you're not too sure about. You're kind of worried that they're going to do things. You go to that, and then they can't track you and they can't find all your stuff as easily And also, it doesn't show up in your browsing history either. So if you're doing something that you don't want somebody else who uses your computer to see what you did, then that's what you would do. All right. It basically lets you be anonymous.
History submenu, 4 of 19, H.
History.
New history submenu, 4 of 19, H.
Yeah, history is H. I thought it was Control H as well, but I don't know. I'll have to try it in a few and see if it works. But H, for your history, that gives you all the web pages you've been to recently. That is very handy. Let's say you were going through a bunch of web pages and you clicked around, and then some reason you ended up you had to exit or your computer locked up or anything for some reason. You do not have the ad on your screen anymore and you want to get back to it. You want to find it. Maybe it's something you looked up or something you were going through and you said, hey, I saw this neat thing 4 days ago or about a week ago. This is where you would go. It's the history. And it allows you to go through your browsing history and find it. And it can be very handy. Okay?
Downloads Control plus J, 5 of 19, D.
Downloads, what you have is configured to downloads. You can go to
History, downloads Control plus J, 5 of 19, D.
Control J.
History submenu, 4 of 19, H. Downloads Control plus J, 5 of 19, D.
Downloads, they got Control J. So this tells you your hotkey. Control J will send you to your downloads. That basically puts you into the downloads window or whatever. And then you can start accessing it and do what you want. But that's another thing. We're not doing that today.
Bookmark submenu, 6 of 19, B.
Now bookmark.
Downloads, bookmark submenu, 6 of 19, B.
Now you heard that? Bookmark submenu. If you watch my bookmark video, I've explained submenus and everything. They're like a folder. So it's a submenu. So that means I can hit the right arrow key while it's highlighting this bookmark and it will give me a sub list. Now,
Bookmarks is pop-up. Documentation submenu, 12 of 13, D. Escape. Bookmark submenu, 6 of 19, B. Escape. Leaving menus, Google Chrome. Search region, search edit com.
Something happened to my keyboard. I got a Bluetooth keyboard and for some reason it just burped on me.
Alt F, context menu, new tab, new window, new incognito, history, downloads controlled, bookmark submenu, 6 of 19,
Okay.
B.
Now we're back. Bookmark submenu. Hit the right arrow key.
Bookmarks is pop-up, B. Bookmarks menu, bookmark this tab, Control plus D, 1 of 13, B.
See, there's a familiar bookmark has pop-up. And it's got submenus. Let's go.
Show bookmarks bar Control plus Shift plus B checked, 2 of 13, S.
See? Control Shift D, show the bookmarks toolbar. Which, if you watch my bookmark video, I explained all about that and explained it. That is the key.
Bookmark manager Control plus Shift plus O, 3 of 13, B.
Bookmark manager. I also showed you in the bookmark toolbar all about the bookmark manager, how to go through it. That's where you can move your bookmarks and you can do more detailed organization using cut and paste. That's the easiest way to move something from one place to the other for us blind people. But you'll use the bookmark manager to do that. Okay.
Import bookmarks and settings, 4 of 13, I.
That's where you want to import them. Okay. And then now to start getting my bookmarks.
Social submenu, 5 of 13, development submenu,
Now,
6 of
these are all
13,
my
D.
bookmarks that I created. Social development.
Import bookmark, show bookmarks bar, bookmark this tab, Control plus D, 1 of 13, B.
See, Control D, that was the first entry, and apparently I didn't get it to say it, so I had to go back up. See, Control D, that is how to make a bookmark, and that's also how you edit a bookmark of the current page, if you already have it bookmarked. So, and you'll see that on my bookmark video. That will tell you how to play with that, and it explains what they are in detail. They're very handy, and it's the way to make the most of your web browser, of your internet, so you have everything you want.
Escape, bookmark submenu, 6 of 19, B.
Okay, now I'm back to, I hit the escape key, I got out of that submenu, and now I'm back to, it says just bookmark. Yeah, I'll go back up.
Downloads Control plus J, 5 of 19, bookmark submenu, 6 of 19, B.
See, I hit the down arrow, I went down to bookmarks. Okay, but I'm not going to go into the submenu.
Make text smaller, 7 of 19, M. Bookmark, make text smaller, 7 of 19, M.
Make tabs smaller.
Bookmarks, make text smaller, 7 of 19, M.
Okay, so if I want to make the text smaller, This is what I would press.
Make text larger, 8 of 19, M.
And there you are, M, make text. And when I want to make text smaller and larger, I always spin my mouse wheel. But like I said, I pretty much browse nowadays without using my eyes. But there are times that I am curious to see what it looks like, and I'll lean in and I'll zoom it in real big. Yeah.
Full screen F11, 9 of 19, F.
Now when you do F11, you go full screen. Now you lose your address bar and some other stuff and things out there. So
Print, Control plus P, 10 of 19, P.
yeah, you want to print a web page. So you got Control P. Okay.
Cast, 11 of 19, C.
See, you can cache your web browser. Nowadays, if you got Wi-Fi and you got a smart TV, let's say with a Chrome browser, or like Chromecast, or you got a Fire TV. I think it does Fire TV. I haven't tried that yet. But anyway, it will cache your computer to another device. Okay, so you can show a video there, which I'll create a YouTube video, explain to you how to play with YouTube and things, and you can play a video on your screen. Okay.
Find, Control plus F, 12 of 19, F. Cast, find, Control plus F, 12 of 19, F. Cast, find, Control plus F, 12 of 19, F.
Yeah, find, Control F. Okay.
More tools submenu, 13 of 19, L.
Yeah.
Find, more tools submenu, 13 of 19, L.
Yeah, that's a submenu, and these are tools.
More tools his pop-up, L. More tools menu, save, create short, save page as, Control plus S, 1 of 6, A.
You wanted to save the web page for some reason?
Create shortcut, 2 of 6, C.
You want to create a shortcut for the page you're at, you go to here, and it would create a shortcut for this page that you're currently highlighting. Which could be handy if you want to put something on your desktop, and that way you can, because what you got on your desktop, you can always do Alt-Enter, edit the properties, and then put a shortcut key, assign a shortcut key to it. Like if I wanted to go to NFB, I might create one called Control with the letter N, and I would do something like Control Shift Alt N, and then it would automatically send me to this web page. It would launch Chrome browser. So if I wanted to do that, okay.
Clear browsing data, Control plus Shift plus Del, 3 of 6, C.
Yeah. So if you want to clear your browsing data, because maybe you think you got a virus in there or something you saw and you're afraid it's going to load it back up, the thing, you might want to clear the data, or you run down to disk space or something. You got something acting real weird. You might want to clear it. Also, you can clear your browsing data is another way to make sure that you don't have anything on there that you don't want kids or somebody else to find if you are doing that. But I'm blind, so I don't do that stuff. But there may be some people that do, and they want to clear their data. Okay.
Extensions, 4 of 6, E.
They are, extensions are handy. Like I got one on here right now for Zoomtext. Zoomtext automatically invert pictures and videos. Because if I have with my inverted colors, the screen won't show up right if I don't have this inverter on it. And I have dark theme on here too, so it turns pages to the dark theme.
Task Manager Shift plus ESC, 5 of 6, T. Extensions, 4 of 6. Task Manager Shift plus ESC, 5 of 6, T.
Yeah. And Task Manager.
Developer Tools Control plus Shift plus I, 6 of 6, D.
Yeah. If you're doing a lot of development, that's when you use the Task Manager and Developer Tools. You won't need it.
Save Page As, Control plus S, 1 of 6,
Let's
A.
cycle back up to Save Page As. Okay? So that's handy. That's all the tools.
Escape, More Tools submenu, 13 of 19, L.
I hit Escape, and I ended up back to the menu. This is all from Alt-F. Remember when we did that? Let's see what else.
Cut Control plus X, 14 of 19, C.
Cut Control. All right, that's just standard Windows stuff, Control X and things like that.
Copy Control plus C, 15 of 19, C. Paste Control plus V, 16 of 19, P. Settings, 17 of 19, S.
Now here's your settings. We'll take a look at that in a few moments.
Help submenu, 18 of 19, E.
And yeah, you got your help, but that's on everything. So
Exit, 19 of 19, X.
the exit.
New tab Control plus T, 1 of 19, T. New window Control plus N, 2 of 19,
Okay, we
N.
cycle back around on the menu or back up the top. Let's go back down the other way and we'll go to settings.
New tab, exit, 19 of, help submenu, 18 of 19, settings, 17 of 19, S.
17 of 19 is settings. So there was 19 different menu items under the file thing. Okay.
Enter. Leaving menus. Untitled Google Chrome. Settings Google Chrome. Syncing to lewiswood@gmail.com.
Now there's my settings.
Control Window C.
Colors. There we go.
Main menu button. Heading level 1 settings.
Okay. I hit the down arrow twice. And I just said settings main heading.
Search settings button.
So you could search it if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do that.
Main region. Heading level 2 you in Google. Lewis Wood.
Yep, it's got my name.
Syncing to lewiswood@gmail.com.
Now syncing. This is a very handy feature, so configure it, take the time to get it done, and set yourself up. The nice thing about it is, on my desktop computer, and my laptop computer, and on my smartphone, I have the Chrome browser. And anytime I edit my bookmarks or I make changes, rearrange them, move them around, or do anything, it's on all three machines. So I can just put one down and go to the next one, and there it is. It's all there. Same with my browsing history. I can sit there, pull up a web page, and it'll be there in the history, and I can go right to it. So it's very handy. It's a good thing to do. Take the time to configure it.
Turn off button.
I'm not going to turn mine off. No way.
Subpage button sync in Google services. Link manage your Google account.
See the first menu item there is manage my Google account.
Chrome name and picture. Link manage Chrome name and picture. Edit person subpage button. Link import bookmarks and settings. Heading level to autofill. Subpage button passwords.
See, you got passwords there. We're not going to that one. No, you're going to show you mine. All right. But you click on that one and you can edit passwords.
Subpage button payment methods.
There's payment methods. And I don't think I have mine configured in here, but I do have a Google Wallet. So who knows? It might be in here automatically.
Subpage button addresses and more. Heading level 2 safety check.
Okay. It's not working again. My keyboard didn't.
Settings Google Chrome. Run safety check now button. Link cookies and other site data. Link clear browsing data. Link cookies and other site data. Link clear browse. Heading level 2 privacy. Link clear browsing data. Link cookies and other site data.
I'm under security.
Link security. Now. Link site settings.
Yeah, now you got site settings for how to change the settings for that site to whether or not it's a trusted site or not. You can go through that list. You can delete them from the list and edit them or whatever. Because if you want it to allow you to do things on a page, then that you normally can't do, then you'll want to make it there so it turns it on and downloads all the stuff and does the fancy things. But most fancy things I don't care for, because animation is what they're talking about, playing games like that.
Link themes.
Themes. That's one I do. I do that one. And when I press that one, it's going to send me to extensions. So I'm not going to press it right now.
Show home button toggle button pressed.
I told it to show the home page.
Radio button check. New tab page 1 of 2.
Yep.
New tab page. Radio button not checked 2 of 2. Enter custom web address. Enter custom web address. Edit. http://www.google.com/.
See, I got mine going to a custom web address. That's why I got that radio button checked. Okay.
Show bookmarks bar toggle button pressed.
See, I told it to show the toolbar, bookmark toolbar right away.
Font size combo box. Medium left paren recommended right paren.
Yeah, I just left it that way.
Customize fonts link. Page zoom combo box. 100%. Address bar link. Search engine used in the address bar combo box. Google.
Yeah, you can depend on that search engine. You know what? I think I'm going to change that because somebody told me try DuckDuckGo. I've never tried it.
Open list box. Expanded. List with 5 items. Google. Bing. Yahoo. DuckDuckGo.
Yep.
Enter. Search engine used in the address bar combo box. DuckDuckGo.
Okay, I'm going to try that.
Manage search engines link. On startup group, open a specific page or set of pages. Radio button checked. 3 of 3. More actions button. Add a new page link. Use current pages link. Advanced heading level 2 button collapsed. Chrome button menu. View side information. Address and search bar edit. Chrome // settings. Control+L.
Okay.
B. Bing. Best Buy. Sman line. Sman. https://www escape h Bing Best Buy Dismantle line https escape B search banner region main menu button
Let's get out of there. I hit
F6 settings tab selected 2 of 2 F6 bookmarks toolbar apps button show apps F6 banner region main menu button
Okay.
heading level 1 settings search settings button
Okay. Now I've got back to there by pressing F6. So I got back to the page. So settings.
turn off button edit person subpage button run safety check now button show home button toggle button pressed new tabs page show bookmarks bar toggle button pressed more actions button advanced heading level 2 button collapsed wrapping to top main menu button
Okay. I was trying to see if there was a save button, and there is no save button. So
search settings main region
the settings are already taken.
heading level 2 you and Google Lewiswood
done on here. Okay. So now when I do my search bar, it's going to say DuckDuckGo. I've never done it, so it'd be interesting to figure it out, and that's what I'll be doing.
close document window Google Chrome button menu view site information search region search control window C
It comes up to Google as my web page. I didn't change that. But let's go up to the address bar and let's check out this DuckDuckGo.
F6 address and search bar edit https://www.google.com/GWS_road=SSL control+L https://
Okay, how about
D doccenter.I
Y
space DIY
DIY
GARAGE
garage
space SHELVES
shelves.
enter DuckDuckGo.com/Q equals DI plus garage plus shelves. DuckDuckGo.com/Q equals DI plus garage plus shelves. DuckDuckGo.com/Q equals control window
I
C.
like that color scheme. Okay, here we go. I don't know how to explore this, so I'm going
Link
to take a look.
edit. Misspelled garage shelves. Misspelled garage shelves. X button. S button. List of 5 items. Link wall. Link images. Link videos. Link news. Link maps. Link news. Link videos.
Hang on.
Link news. Link maps.
Okay, they got it.
List end. List of 1 items. Link settings. Black down pointing triangle. List end. Link 3 right words arrows. Garage shelves link over stock trademark sign AD heading level 2. Garage link shelves AD heading level 2. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list ... heading level 2 link.
Okay, so I hit H for headings and it took me straight to the heading items. So I thought that was more convenient. So that's similar to the Google search. All right.
Enter. Garage shelves at Google Chrome. Heading level 2 link 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list ... Garage shelves at Google Chrome.
So see it now. I usually explore right away by doing H for headings.
H.
Oh, it's not doing anything.
Meeting controls. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list. H.
Nope, that don't work.
We've also seen a bunch of people who scour Craigslist for free and shoot scrap shelving units. That's another idea if you don't actually want to build. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects dash Google Chrome. Link my DIY main region. Heading level 4 search plans. Complementary information. Search input. Search here ... Escape.
See, I hit R for region.
Heading level 4 popular project. MyDIY.com is a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates program.
Okay,
In affiliate
so anyway, that's how you do it. I just changed that to DuckDuckGo. It seems pretty similar to Google search, but okay. I might inspect it later. But right now, that's not what we're doing here. Let's go back up and we'll do some more exploring here. All right.
Shift F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button.
There's
Show
my
apps.
Bookmarks toolbar. We went through this the other day, or just when I made the other video.
F6.
Boy, my keyboard.
Article region. Complementary region. Complementary region. IX search form. Shift F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button. Social button menu.
My Bluetooth is really messing up today.
Context menu. Facebook. 1 of 6. Escape. Leaving menus. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my book. Shift F6. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right. Shift F6.
Note it. It's my keyboard.
Escape.
It has
16
nothing to
practical
do with-
DIY garage escape.
I got a Bluetooth keyboard.
Shift F6. Article region. Complementary region. Complementary region. IX search form. Search input edit. Shift F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button. Show apps.
Yeah.
Shift F6. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects tab selected. 1 of 1. Replay. Shift F6. Address and search bar edit.
Yeah, I got the address bar.
https://www.mymidi.com/i-garage-shelving/ Control plus L.
That was a Google- that was a tab
https://www.
bar. That was a tab bar earlier. Okay, let's go here. Let's go. Now at the address bar.
0 hours at 5:07.
Once it says address bar, you can hit this tab button.
mymidi.com/i-garage-shelving/ send this page button.
Mm-hmm. Come on, I'm hitting the tab again.
Bookmark this tab. Zoomtext Smart Invert 1. Bookmark this tab button. Zoomtext Smart Invert wants access to this site button menu.
You see, that is Zoomtext invert, and it probably would make things look clearer if I did that.
Context menu. Zoomtext Smart Invert 1 of 5 Z. This can read and change site data submenu. Remove from Chrome 3 unpin 4 of 5. Manage extensions 5. Zoomtext Smart Invert 1 of 5 Z. This can read and change site data submenu 2 of 5 TZ. Leaving menus. Untitled Google Chrome. Zoomtext Smart Invert wants access to this site button menu. Chrome Web Store extensions.
Okay.
Zoomtext Smart Invert Chrome Web Store Google Chrome. Link home.
Okay. Yeah.
Control Window C.
I don't know if that makes it. Seems easier on my eyes, but I don't know what's there. Looks like something's going through, flashing around.
Home link. Extensions link.
See, it talks about the extensions.
Category : accessibility link.
Mm-hmm.
Remove from Chrome button. Tab. Overview tab selected. 1 of 3.
Okay.
16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects dash Google Chrome. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas.
You get a little bit lost or misplaced. What you do is you just look around.
16 practical DIY.
You'll get it. Okay, you'll figure it out. And hopefully you ain't got a keyboard that's acting up. Mine keeps acting up. All right. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close this.
Shift F6.
Okay, now it's working.
F6. Address and search bar edit. F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button. Show apps. Shift F6. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button. Show apps.
Come on.
F6. F6. https://www blank. Send this page button.
Okay. Now this one, when you do a send page, you can send it to your email. You could send it to Facebook or anywhere. You know, just send it around. Send it to your phone and everything.
Bookmark this tab button.
And this is your bookmark, or it might say edit bookmark if you did. This is the other way to get to it. Control D is the way I get to it. You can also do the Alt F in the file.
Zoomtext Smart Invert once. Zoom scheduler button menu.
And these are my extensions. I got the Zoom scheduler.
Extensions button menu.
And then you got your extensions.
Lewis button menu.
And then, of course, my account.
Chrome button menu. Customize and control Google Chrome.
Okay.
Back button menu. Press to go back. Context menu to see history.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's do history.
Is Control H. Reload button. Reload this page. Untitled Google Chrome. History Google Chrome. Search history edit. Control Window C.
Now, I don't know why, and then when we went to the file menu, it didn't say Control H was history, it just said H. But history is Control H. Okay, I knew it was, thought it was. Okay.
H. Link Chrome history. Found 115 search results for H. Link tabs from other devices. Link clear browsing data. Your Google account may have other forms of browsing history at link myactivity.google.com. Grid with 4 of 4 columns and 44 of 115 rows.
Let's see, I got 115 rows. So that means I'm in a table.
Heading level 2 found 115 search results for H. Bottom of column. Bottom of column. Top of column. Bottom of column. Checkbox not checked. Visited link Zoomtext Smart Invert Chrome Web Store. Chrome.google.com. Wrapping to top. Grid with 4 of 4 columns and 44 of 115 rows. Visited link Zoomtext Smart Invert Chrome.google.com. Actions button menu. Grid. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspire. Garage shelves at duckduckgo.com. Checkbox not checked. Bookmark Google www.google. Bookmarked Netflix originals vertical bar Netflix official site www.netflix.com. Checkbox not checked.
Browsing, and I'm hitting a down arrow going through them and
bottom of column. Netflix Google search www.google.com. Check. Bookmark Oreo Jaffler / waffle cereals keto cereals. Bookmark chocolate cupcake Jaffler cereals keto cereal. Senator Joe Manchin erupts into shouting match with McConnell : your apostrophe more concerned about the health of Wall Street to pie. Bookmark Google www.google.com. Check. Bookmark JAWS keystrokes doccenter.freedomscientific.com.
Okay.
Checkbox.
You go through each one of these items, and then you can go to any of them.
Uninstall successful. Docs. Zoomtext smart invert dash 8200. Bookmark lighthouse for the visually impaired and blind www.lib.org. What is Braille? Vertical bar lighthouse for the visually impaired and blind www.lib.org. Checkbox not checked.
Now I can just go to that web page just for my history by
Enter. Checked.
pressing enter. Okay.
Column 1 row 17. What is Braille? Vertical bar lighthouse for the visually impaired and blind link.
There it is. Now there's the link.
Enter.
I hit the
History
tab,
dash Google Chrome.
right there.
What is Braille? Vertical bar lighthouse for the visually impaired and blind dash Google Chrome. Attending the Institute. Braille yearn for more books to read.
You just do down arrow, go through your history, go through it piece by piece, and it's arranged. You'll see it's a bunch of table with a bunch of rows in it and everything. For some reason, table navigation did not work for me. That's the kind of thing I would probably use my Braille display for navigating, but you can go line by line, and that's pretty easy just using the down arrow. Okay, and then I just hit tab when I got through the item, and it said link, and I hit enter, and that launched it.
Back. What is Braille? Vertical bar lighthouse for the visually impaired and blind dash Google Chrome.
As you can see,
H.
it's very easy to get around the Chrome browser. I've given you the overview, so you have that. Your tab bar is the only other thing. And creating tabs can be very handy. Like right now, I got my history right here. Let's go ahead and open a couple things. We'll see about doing this. And I'll show you a tab browser.
Shift F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Social button. Blind button menu.
There we go. We'll go blind.
Context menu. BARD. 1 of 9. RP social submenu. 2 of 19. Freedom Scientific submenu. Freedom Scientific. 7 of 7. HTTPS: JAWS webinars. 1 of 7. www.free enter. Leaving menus. History dash Google Chrome. Bookmarks toolbar. Blind button menu. Webinars on demand. Freedom Scientific dash Google Chrome. Webinars on demand. Freedom Scientific. Control T. New tab dash Google Chrome. Address and search bar edit. Control plus L.
Now I pressed the Control T because I wanted to go straight to I wanted to create a new tab.
F6. New tab selected. 3 of 3. F6. Bookmarks toolbar. Apps button. Show apps.
Okay, I pressed F6 to get around to the different sections of it. Now I'm on my Bookmarks toolbar.
Social button. Development button. Blind button menu. Billing button menu. Local button menu. Government button menu. Recipes button menu. Context menu. Keto cheeseburger casserole left paren 14 right paren graph 3 of extra fudgy keto brownies left paren video right paren dash keto connect 4 of 19 enter leaving menus new tab dash Google Chrome bookmarks toolbar recipes button menu.
I see I've got
keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and control window C.
And I can display that, and now if I just hit control tab, I can go between the tabs.
16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects dash Google Chrome. Webinars on demand Freedom Scientific dash Google Chrome. Webinars on demand Freedom Scientific. Keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and nuts dash free left paren video.
I've got 3 different tabs open. Now I'll press the F6 and I'll take you up there the manual way. But Control Tab will do it. Control Shift Tab goes backwards in your list. But here, let's do it the other way.
F6 https://www.
That's the address bar.
F6 keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and nuts dash free left paren video right paren dash keto connect tab selected 3 of 3.
See at the very end it said tab selected. Okay.
Close button.
Now see it gives me the close icon right there if I want to use that.
New tab button. New tab. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects tab 1 of 3.
Now what I'm doing is I'm just hitting the right arrow key through the tab bar. So I go through the tab bar, hit the right arrow key.
Close button.
Close button's right there. Okay, that's at the end of the list. So let's go to the left again. Oh, keyboard locked up.
Webinars
again.
on demand Freedom Scientific tab 2 of 3. Close button.
Okay.
Keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and nuts dash free left paren video right paren dash close button. New tab button. New tab. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY project close button. Webinars on demand Freedom Scientific tab.
Okay, see, it's a round robin list. When you get to the very end of the list, you can click on new tab and activate that. Okay, or you can go,
Close button.
you can close each tab individually. So I'll go ahead and hit escape.
Escape. Address and search bar edit. Kataconnet.net/kato-brownie/ Control+L.
See, now I'm in the address bar. And when you're at the address bar, hit the tab key.
List with 8 items. Skip to primary navigation. Same page link.
Took me straight to the web page. Okay. From that one particularly.
Same page link. Skip to blog navigation. Same page link. Skip to footer navigation.
And this is standard web navigation when you want to get to. As I said before.
Join us live every weekday at 9 a.m. Est. Heading level. Keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and escape.
But I know this particular page. Doing B for button.
Rate this recipe 1 out of 5 stars button. Rate this recipe 2 out of 5 stars. Rate this recipe rate pin 7857 button. Get the free e-cookbook button. Play button. Rate this recipe 1 out of 5 stars button. Rate this recipe 1 out of 5 stars. Rate this recipe 4 out of 5 stars button. Escape.
Okay. Somewhere there's a front link. Here, this is another easiest way. Is to do the insert F7. You can hear my dog in the background. Come on. Come on, go. I hate it when it locks up. My keyboard is locking out. I'm going to have to switch that Bluetooth to some other place.
Meeting controls.
Okay. Oh.
Keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and nuts dash free left paren video. Links list dialog. Links list view. Skip to primary navigation. 1 of 128. Links list. Display. Sort links. Move to link.
Now there's a whole bunch of links there. So I did insert F7 and it pulls up all my links. Now this is, NVDA has one too, and so does Narrator. So you can see it, and I think they're all set to F7. Insert F7.
Not selected. Skip to blog navigation. Not selected. Skip to footer navigation. 3 of. Not selected. Skip to footer dash circles navigation. 4 of 128. Dash circles.
By the first letter if you want to. Like I'm going to do P.
P. Products. 13 of 128. / keto dash product. P. Print recipe. 21 of 128. https://www.kataconnet.net/wprm_print/recipe/16305.
I'm going to have to let you guys go. I'm not going to answer the U.S. Census. Okay, so apparently I got a phone call and it's about the U.S. Census, which I'm done with this video anyway, but now you're hearing a phone call go off. All right. So anyway, let's see. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and close it with Alt F4. Now I could have did Control F4 and closed each tab individually. And my keyboard, of course, is
Keto brownies recipe vertical bar extra fudgy and nuts dash free left paren video right paren dash keto connect. Close document window. Webinars on demand freedom scientific dash Google Chrome. Close document window. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket play.
Yeah, I did Control F4 and I closed each one individually.
Alt F4. 16 practical DIY garage shelving ideas left bracket plan list right bracket dash my DIY vertical bar inspiring DIY projects dash Google Chrome. Meeting controls.
Okay, I'm going to meeting controls. I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
Your screen
Has been stopped. Zoom meeting.
There we go. And now I'm going to stop the recording. You guys all have a good day, and I hope this has been helpful in how to navigate and get around a Chrome browser and give yourself some familiarity with what's possible. So live the life you want and enjoy the web and all its wonder, because there's so much information out there. Smartphones are handy too, but sometimes you want to use a computer. Have a good day. Now the keyboard's locking up again.